Welcome to Speak Fluent English. Do you want to speak English naturally every single day without confusion or fear? On this channel, we help you improve your English step by step in a simple and practical way. Today, you will learn 100 daily English routine sentences for beginners that you can use in real life from morning to night. Just listen, repeat, and practice with me. Let's start your English journey right now. I wake up early in the morning and get out of my bed slowly. I turn off my alarm clock and start my new day. I wash my face with cold water to feel fresh and awake. I brush my teeth carefully to keep my mouth clean and healthy. I take a warm shower and feel relaxed. I comb my hair and get ready for the day. I choose comfortable clothes to wear for the day. I make my bed to keep my room clean and organized. I drink a glass of water to hydrate my body. I eat a healthy breakfast to get energy for the day. I check my phone for important messages. I sit quietly for a few minutes and plan my day. I pack my bag with everything I need. I leave my house and start my daily journey. I go to school or work with a positive mindset. I listen to music while traveling. I feel motivated and ready to learn new things. I think about my goals for the day. I take a deep breath and stay calm. I start my day with full energy and focus. I start my work or studies with full concentration. I read my lessons carefully and try to understand everything. I take notes while learning new topics. I attend my classes and listen to my teacher carefully. I ask questions when I do not understand something. I practice English every day to improve my skills. I write sentences to improve my grammar. I use my computer to complete my tasks. I work step by step to finish my assignments. I take a short break when I feel tired. I drink tea or water during my break. I talk with my friends and share ideas. I watch educational videos to learn more. I focus on improving my vocabulary. I repeat difficult lessons to understand better. I complete my homework before the deadline. I try my best in every task I do. I stay focused even when I feel distracted. I organize my work in a proper way. I feel happy when I learn something new. I continue my work with more energy after lunch. I solve problems step by step and stay patient. I attend meetings or classes in the afternoon. I write important information in my notebook. I check my progress and improve my mistakes. I help others when they need support. I stay focused on my main goals. I take a short walk to refresh my mind. I stretch my body to avoid tiredness. I drink water regularly to stay healthy. I reply to messages and emails. I organize my tasks for better productivity. I continue studying English grammar and vocabulary. I practice speaking English with confidence. I review what I learned in the morning. I stay away from distractions like social media. I work step by step without rushing. I feel productive when I complete my tasks. I manage my time carefully during the day. I keep improving myself every day. I finish my work and go back home peacefully. I take some rest after a long day. I eat dinner with my family and talk with them. I watch TV or listen to relaxing music. I spend time with my family and enjoy the moment. I go for a short walk in the evening. I take a shower to feel clean and relaxed. I clean my room and organize my things. I prepare everything for the next day. I study a little more in the evening. I read a book to improve my knowledge. I write about my day in my notebook. I think about what I learned today. I feel grateful for the good things in my life. I avoid stress and stay calm. I stop using my phone for a while. I relax my mind before sleeping. I spend quiet time alone. I feel satisfied with my day. I get ready for sleep. I brush my teeth before going to bed. I change into my pajamas and feel comfortable. I lie down on my bed and close my eyes slowly. I think about my goals for tomorrow. I feel relaxed and peaceful in my bed. I breathe deeply and calm my mind. I avoid using my phone at night. I forget all my stress and worries. I feel thankful for my day. I pray or meditate before sleeping. I slowly fall asleep with a calm mind. I sleep deeply and peacefully. I rest my body and recharge my energy. I stop thinking about problems. I feel safe and comfortable in my bed. I have positive thoughts before sleeping. I sleep for a full night without disturbance. I dream about good things. I wake up feeling fresh and energetic. I get ready for a new, productive day tomorrow. Great job! Keep practicing every day, and you will speak English fluently. Thanks for watching. Speak Fluent English.